Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix that you're not getting a verification email within ElevenLabs. So sometimes you try to sign up for ElevenLabs, but it's just not working because you do not get a verification email, and you need a verification email in order to create an ElevenLabs account. So there is a way to fix that. First of all, you can try a different email. So sometimes just another Gmail works, or signing up from another browser works, or and this is most of the times the case, that ElevenLabs blocks your IP address, so they block your location. And a way to fix that is by using a VPN. So NordVPN is a great way to fix the fact that you are not able to sign up for ElevenLabs. So as you see, when you tap on the link in the description and in the pinned comment, that's my Siri, you get up to 66% discount of a NordVPN 2-year plan, which is absolutely insane. And this way you can sign up for ElevenLabs without bypassing anything, without creating new email, etc., just by buying NordVPN. And it's better than all their competitors. And the fun part is you get a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with NordVPN, you just get you can just refund all of your money, and that's very nice. So you can just buy NordVPN through the link in my description, get a nice discount, and then then you get a lot of then you can just sign up for NordVPN, which is really nice. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.